Here at Voltera, we're getting into the holiday spirit, and what better way to celebrate the winter season than with a delicious gingerbread cookie topped with some frosting. But we're not going to decorate this cookie in any boring way. We're going to use Nova. You may have heard that Nova can print anything on everything, but can Nova print frosting on a cookie? We don't want to get on Santa's naughty list for lying. So today, we're going to be testing this by downpacking some frosting into the 5ml cartridges that Nova's smart dispenser uses, and then dispensing frosting onto Gingy using Nova. This guy is pretty thick, so we can't use the mounting hardware to keep him in place. Instead, we're going to put him on a piece of parchment paper on the vacuum bed. However, the uneven bottom of the cookie means it could deflect when probed, which shows on the software as red dots where there could be height problems when printing. To fix this, we'll use some of the frosting to glue the gingerbread to the parchment paper. After a quick bake in the oven, we can see that the frosting has hardened and will now stop the cookie from moving whilst it is being probed, making sure an accurate height map gets generated of the surface. Fun fact, the frosting pattern for the gingerbread cookie was created using Adobe Illustrator. We're testing a new beta feature that allows Nova to load SVG files, making the software more accessible, especially to anyone with experience using vector-based design tools. No gingerbread cookie would be complete without decoration, so we're going to be adding some candies and gummies to our creation. And voila! A beautiful festive treat iced using Nova. Happy holidays and happy printing!